marunong.
In 100 meters, turn right and then turn right.
Oo, isang pindot lang naman, loves eh.
Ha?
Isang pindot lang.
Hindi ko kasi alam.
Are you done playing your VR? Yeah. Okay then, it's your turn to put it in the bag. Already. Since we're here, I already put it twice. You remove it? Twice. You remove it? Twice. I got it in. Twice. You remove it? I got it in. Twice.
Nan.
Ayos ah.
Pag inabot ka ng number 1, number 2, meron kang washroom dun sa dulo. Yung aming neighbor. Kuwan lang, quick camping lang para kay Isaiah. Ang gabi lang, dumulan pa kagabi. Yan muna mga tol, update ko kayo sa mga susunod. Kuwan lang tayo newbie. Ito sa Kettle Lake, lapit lang to sa amin, 45 minutes drive.